We're here, guys. We're here sa Saskatoon Exhibition. Dito kami nila Ate, Raven, and Ivar. 5 past na. Medyo late na kami nagpunta, but that's okay. So, bili lang kami ng ticket. Ate's first ride. Charlie Chopper. Hindi ko alam kung nasan si ate dito. Hindi ko alam kung nasan si ate. We'll find ate, okay? Where is ate? Ah! Where is ate? Where is ate? Where is ate? Ate sa green.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms.
Dali, ate, try mo. Huwag mo bibitawan, ha? Ubus na. Ubus. Ubus. Tapos kakainin nito, no? Oh, wait, ha? You wait.
You want your big pyramid one? We'll try the small ones. Just wait. Let's go. Come this way. Let's go around. Okay?
Is that a cow?
Go!
take a picture there? Huh? Wow! Wow! Kain muna kami, guys. Katulog na si Raven. Water? Ayun o. Merry-go-round! First time ko mag-ride. Sa isang ride ngayon. Nahilo ako. Grabe.
Should I look down?
No. Nakahilo siya.
I am looking down. I want this to end.
Ayan o. Ini-spin nila yung sa kanila. Pero kami, ayoko. Kaya,
I'm gonna become blind.
oh my gosh.
But I have the same color.
Yeah.
I forgot to
So kami lang
record.
ni Ate Ravi.
I forgot to record.
You okay? Gising na si Raven. So, bumili lang si Ivar ng bubbles. Ayan. Yehe! Ang lamig ngayon. Grabe, sobrang lamig guys. Kami, naka-jacket pero ang lamig. Raven! Akala ko hindi malamig. Ang lamig pala. Raven! Hello, Raven!
Okay, let's go home.
Uwian na, guys! Saskatoon Exhibition. Uwian na. Ang lamig-lamig na. Grabe. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito kalamig yung ano, yung temperature, guys. Ang lamig sobra. Hindi pa naman ako nagdala ng ano. Hindi ako nagdala ng long sleeves ng dalawa. Extra t-shirts lang, tapos yeah, extra t-shirt and then jacket. And then yung ano, yung dalawa. Saan ba tayo? Saan ba tayo? Ayun o. Wala nang mga wala naman nakapark kasi sobrang ano na, late na rin. Nintay lang talaga nung ibang matapos yung fireworks bago mag-uwian kasi ang ganda ng fireworks, in fairness. Mas maganda pa siya nung nag-fireworks nung Canada Day dun sa downtown. Mas gusto ko yung fireworks dito sa Saskatoon Exhibition. Si ate. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So kanina merong super pass si ate, diba? And then binilan ko siya ng fast pass or yung parang VIP pass na hindi na siya pipila, para diretso na siya kagad dun sa sa rides. Hindi na siya magpipila ng matagal. So additional $25. So punta lang kami sa aming car and then we're going home. We're home na, guys. Lobat yung aking battery. Pero hindi ko nagamit yung mga extra battery ko doon dahil hindi naman masyado ako madaming mag-vlog kanina. So mga clips lang. So yun na nga. Dito kami mga 11:30 to 11:45 yata yun. Pero hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung pagdating namin kasi kami ay nag-snacks and then pahinga. Dahil nakakapagod, guys. Sobrang nakakapagod. Sakit sa paa. Dahil si Raven puro buhat. Tapos naibaba lang namin siya nung siya ay nakatulog. So, ayun. Papasok ako tomorrow. Grabe. Puyat. Closing pa naman ako bukas. But, okay lang kasi. Ano naman yung doctor na naka-duty tomorrow. Hindi siya ganun ka-toxic. Dahil, medyo mabilis siya. So, hopefully, maaga kami matapos sa work. Itong si Raven, di pa ito matutulog kasi nag-nap to kanina nung nandun nga kami. Si ate, hindi ko din alam kung matutulog na rin yan. Pero ako, kailangan ko na matulog kasi anong oras na. Ay, na ako. Nabos namin yung baon namin ng Coke kanina. Pwede naman kasi magdala ng food. Tapos, bumili lang kami ng yung pinakita ko sa inyo na na parang, Vietnamese pa yun, Vietnamese na na food. Yun lang yung kinain namin. And then si ate nag-fries. So, anyway guys, pagod na ako. Meron pa ako natirang ticket pala, kaya lang hindi naman na yun magagamit. So, tatapon ko na rin yun. Naubos namin yung ticket na ano ba yun? Yung 30 coupons for $22. Kasi pag hindi siya Kids Day, ang regular price niya is $20 na $20 for 20 coupons. So, medyo mas tipid kapag Kids Day or kapag Wednesday. So, tiniming ko din na Wednesday kami pumunta para ayun nga, si Raven kasi puro coupon lang yung ano, 'di ba, yung gamit. Si Ate Raven naka super pass and then fast pass. Tapos nung pauwi na kami, meron nagbigay sa amin ng ticket kasi pauwi na nga din daw sila. Pero hindi ko rin nagamit dahil pauwi na rin kami kasi nung oras na rin nun eh. Siguro tinapos lang din namin yung ano, yung fireworks and then uwi na rin. Halos lahat naman ganun din yung ginawa. Puro tinapos lang yung fireworks and then nagsialisan na. What? Gising na gising pa to. Oh, anyway guys, close ko na rin yung vlog. Kasi kailangan ko lang matulog talaga. 9:30 to 5 papasok ko bukas and anong oras na? Pasado 2 o'clock. So anyway, yun yung ating video for today. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and I will see you all on my next one. Bye! Good morning night everyone.